What's going on, guys? It's the Stock Guru coming at you again with another video, and today I'm just going to be talking about scanning for stocks. So I had some questions about how to scan for stocks, and also a lot of people DMing me talking about how they want to trade penny stocks. Now I don't necessarily trade penny stocks. I used to when I first was starting out, getting my feet in the water with stocks, seeing what I liked. I did, and I still have some of the old scanners I used. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this information out there for anybody who wants to use it. Like I said, I don't personally use this anymore, but I know it is still effective at finding the stocks that are pumping up in the mornings. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So what I like to do is I have volume, a volume range that I like, a price range that I like, and a percentage change that I like to see. So with the maximum, I don't really care what they are, besides on the price. But the minimum is what's really important. So I want to see at least. Now everybody you can change this however you want, but this is just what I did. I don't know. I haven't touched this in a while now, but like I said, I know it still works. There's a bunch right here that were just spiking this morning. So I like to have the volume at least 200,000. And the max is at 200 million. I don't know. That might just be like the maximum amount you can put it on. I think I just have it up as high as it goes. Yeah. So the minimum is 50 cents that I put, and then maximum $6 because I like to see something that's running up. And if it goes above $6 that was running up, hopefully I see it in the earlier days, right? And then I want to see at least a 8% increase in the stock. Max 250 again. I don't think it goes any higher. I guess it does. So I mean, you can put that whatever you want. But I'm going to show you how to make this too. So what you're going to want to do is, if you have your TD Ameritrade up, you can go into scan, and then you go into the end of this bar, and you can click on this little button right here and go load scan query, and you could go create scan query. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. But what you could do is, I don't know if I hit my mic a little bit there, so I hope that didn't mess anything up. We'll just call it, whatever. We'll just call it a stock guru, right? So yeah, you do is you bring it down to volume. Whatever one you see first. Let's see. Volume. And we put this at 200K. We'd put, I guess it was already up there. So now we want to find price, which I think is just going to be mark. Yeah, mark just means price here. So we're going to do 50 cents. And then we're going to do percent change. I want to see 8. And let's save that. I don't know if I can save it without the maximums, so let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, now I'm going to change it, so I haven't done this in a while. How do I do this? I guess I'm going to have to learn stuff with this video too. Load scan query, here's what you want to do. Personal, and then we're going to go Stock Guru, the one that I just made, right? And it's the same, so it would have changed if I was on a different one, but that's how you can make a quick little scan to scan for some stocks that are pumping up in the morning. If you're trading penny stocks, if that's what you're trying to get into, I hope this helped. I hope this will help you on your journey. If it does, drop a like for me, and if you guys have any requests or some suggestions for the videos, drop it in the comments. So I'm definitely looking for some advice. Hope you guys like the video, and I'm out.